What up, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another general science section of the ASVAB exam. Now, today we're gonna take a look at this section, and we're supposed to complete it in within 11 minutes for the 25 questions. So, without much ado, let's jump right into it and see how much we can get done or even correct, right? So number one says, which planet is named after the Greek god who personified the sky? Earth, Mars, Pluto. I think Pluto. Okay, let me see. Pluto, Uranus. So let me pick. I think Uranus will be the correct option here. Number two, an animal that eats only meat is called a carnivore. Number three, the chemical process in which electrons are removed from a molecule is called respiration, recreation, oxidation, metabolism. I know none of these are like chemical processes whereby, except for C, oxidation. What is a single unit of quanta called? It is called quantum. Number five, light waves travel at a rate of about 186,000 miles per hour. Nope. These things are typically measured in seconds, so I'll go with D. The largest planet in the solar system is. This for me is always between Saturn and Jupiter, but I think it is Jupiter that is the biggest. Number seven, the intestines are part of the circulatory, nervous, respiratory. I think it's part of the digestive system. Number eight, joints that hold bones firmly together are called joints that holds bones firmly together. Fixed joints. For this one, number nine, of the levels listed, the top or the broadest level of the classification system for living organisms is called class, phylum, kingdom, genus. I think kingdom is probably the largest class or the largest, I think, classification here. Which planet is the brightest object in the sky aside from the sun and moon? Saturn, Pluto, Venus, Mercury. I think is Venus. I mean, if you forget, think about how much of a star Venus Williams is. But anyways, the human heart includes 2 chambers, 3 chambers, 4 chambers, 5 chambers. The human heart includes 4 chambers. Number 12. White blood cells produce antibodies, fight infections, carry oxygen, and carry carbon dioxide. Well, we know for sure this is not it. That's the red blood cell. So this is true, and this is true. So it has to be D. Number 13, a measurable amount of protein can be found in all of the following foods except protein can be found in eggs. My buddies who work out all the time talks about eating eggs. Meat definitely has a ton of protein. Peas also has some protein. So I think apple would be the only one that wouldn't have significance or measurable amounts of protein. 14, what is the most abundant element by mass in the Earth's crust? This one always, let me see, by mass in the Earth's crust. I'd go with oxygen for this one. It's typically, okay, I'll go oxygen. Osmosis is diffusion of water, transfer of oxygen, low blood sugar. Protein. Osmosis is process of diffusion. So it'll be A. A meter consists of 10 centimeters, 100 millimeters. Okay, 100 meter consists of 100 centimeters. 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. That's definitely true. The brightest of lights at 30,000 miles. 17 standard Earth years. Spock. Okay, I don't know. Spock's birthday. What the heck? What is that? They got to do better than that. Okay. Electrons are particles that are positively charged. Nope, those are the protons. Neutral. Okay, able to move freely. They're definitely they have energy levels that they can move within, but freely, I don't know. They require energy to move, to transition to a higher energy level. So the asteroid belt is located around Mercury, between Mars and Jupiter, inside the orbit of Venus. There's no such. I'll go with Mars and Jupiter for this one. The atomic number of an atom is determined by, typically it's the proton. The control center of a cell is called the nucleus. This was drilled into us back in bio. How many planets in the solar system have rings? I always used to think Jupiter's definitely one of them. Saturn, I think, also has rings. Uranus has rings. I'd say roughly about 4. The temperature at which a substance is solid and liquid state exists in equilibrium or melting point, boiling points, anti-freezing. Okay. Concentration. Okay, I'd say the melting point, because at that point the thing is already solid, right, and it's slowly becoming liquid. So I say that one. The atmosphere of Mars is composed mostly of Mars, the red planet. Oh, I'll go with carbon dioxide. 25, not counting the sun, the closest star to the Earth is Rigel, Proxima Centauri, Antares. Okay, I'd go with B for this one. And it looks like that's about it, at least for and we finished this in roughly about 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Now let's check our work to see which ones we got correct, which ones we did. Okay. Alrighty, so number 1. Number 1, we got D, that's correct. Number 2, we got C, carnivore, that's correct. Number 3, we got C, that's correct as well. Number 4, that's A, we got correct. Number 5. Number 5, we got D. Number 6, we got D as well. Let me see. Number 7 was D. Number 8 is C, fixed joint. Number 9 is C. Okay, number 10 is Venus, which is C. Number 11 is C as well, 4 chambers. Number 12. Okay, so number 12 is D. Okay, number 13 is D as well. Number 14 is B. Number 15 is A. Number 16 is C. 17 is A. And then let's move this about slightly. Give me a second, actually. Let me move this a little down here. Okay, so let's go up here. Number 18 is D. Number 19 is B. Okay, number 20 is B as well. Number 21 is A. Number 22 is D. Number 23 is A. 24 is B. And then finally 25 is also B. So it looks like we got all these correct. So that's it for this practice section, practice test for the science section of the ASVAB test. Now, if you did enjoy this, do make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like, share, and I do have material similar to these on the channel, so do keep an eye out. Also, I'm going to be making very similar videos, right? So be on the lookout. All in all, I enjoy making these videos, and I hope you enjoy watching them as much as I do making them. So with that said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.